Hey Bear, it's Devin. You know who I am. I just wanted to make this quick video showing you really quickly three simple tips you can easily follow so you could start beating roofing by Martinez. Because if you look up roofing Shreveport, these guys show up at the top, and I'm going to show you exactly how they do it so you can easily beat them. And I just do this for contractors. A lot of them don't have the time to learn how to make the internet, bring them more customers. So I just take the time out of my day to educate them. That way, in the future, if they ever need any help, they can give me a call. So obviously we're already working together. I figured you might as well want one in case you want to start working on your website and start ranking higher on Google. Now, the three things I'm going to talk to you about today are content, backlinks, and citations. And whoever did do your website, I mentioned this before when I first met you. This website is a really good looking website. I think it's beautiful. I love the color scheme. I love the little animations. It loads really, really quickly as I go from page to page, which is like really important when it comes to ranking. So whoever designed the website did a really great job as far as designing it. Now, what Google cares about mostly when it comes to ranking is content. They're just a search engine to search through content. And so the first thing you want to focus on each of your pages is what's called keywords. And a keyword is a phrase somebody commonly types into Google to find your business. So I found some for you, like roofers Shreveport, 100 people search that every month. Roofing Shreveport, 100 people search that every month. Roofing company Shreveport, that's another 90. So you can see just from Shreveport here, there's lots of searches every single month. So you can make a lot of money by ranking up higher on these. And currently, you don't have that on your page at all. Now, one thing you can do is I checked over here. I see you have this service area and you have these 4 services. I would recommend making a page for each one and then using keywords like this for each page. So like the Shreveport page will have this one. Nacogdoches page will have ones that are similar, but obviously with Nacogdoches, etc., Desark, and Elm Grove. And we can continue to do that. If you want to start ranking in Hot Springs, we make a page for Hot Springs and stuff like that. And finally, too, on these pages, you can save your images as these keywords too. So like if you wanted to rank this page for roofing Shreveport, you can save your images as that, and that'll help you rank for it. So that's my first tip as far as content goes. You just want to put those keywords throughout it. Make sure it's natural. You don't want to stuff keywords and make it look like it's spammy. Just fit it in there. Like we provide the roofing Shreveport residents love, something that makes sense. All right, so the next thing you want to focus on when it comes to ranking your website is backlinks. So a backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for you. Keep in mind, though, like I said, trustworthy and relevant websites is the name of the game here. You're going to get a lot better results with other contractors and roofing companies linking to you versus having like Baskin Robbins linking to you because Google knows you don't sell ice cream. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs, and you don't have to pay for this tool. If you go on Google and type in backlink checker, you can see the same information. It says you currently have 12 websites linking to you, which is a great start. And then Roofing by Martinez has 44 linking to them. So if I were in your shoes, I would copy all 44 of these websites and get them linking back to myself. Because if these 44 websites are good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you too. And a lot of times it's really simple. You just go to these pages and create a profile on each page. Like expertise, for example, get listed, yellow pages, create an account, super pages right here, join. So it's pretty simple. It's just a little time consuming. Sometimes they do have a little cost to them. But if you beat them in content, plus you beat them in backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked #1 organically over here and start getting all the free business that comes with being there. My last tip for you is how to show up in the map section. Getting here requires having more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, your address, and your phone number in a directory. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Hargrove Roofing and Construction was in. I put myself in the same ones and add a bunch on top. So if Hargrove was in 150 directories, I'd be in at least 300. But that's all I've got for you, Bear. I hope you found this informative, helpful. I try to keep it short and to the point and know how busy you are, always on the road. My recap is you want to have service area pages for every service area you want to rank for, and you can continue to add more. I didn't mention this, but you want to have at least 1,500 words on every page so Google looks at you as an authority. And then you want to put keywords inside of those pages, like, Roofer Shreveport, Roofing Shreveport, stuff like that. Then you want to copy the links going to your competitors, and each location is going to be different. So, like, if you want to rank in Shreveport, Martinez, you copy these guys, and you can rank there. You want to go in Hot Springs, or maybe a different competitor, you just go copy his backlinks. But it's the same thing. And then finally, you put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Hargrove. If you follow these 3 tips, Bear, this is how we become #1 across the entire front page of Google. So two options. You could do this yourself. If you are too busy and you want any help, you have my number. You can give me a call at any time. But I just wanted to make sure you had this information. I know you mentioned to me at the beginning of our relationship that you were looking into your website. So if you are still going to work with the guy who's doing it, just give them this and they can use it to rank your website. But either way, thanks so much for watching this video. It's always a pleasure working with you, and I hope you have a great day. See you, Bear.